to the Lone Star State. I'm Rachel Beavers.
And I'm Justin Richardson.
And we're your hosts of the American Dream TV, Selling Texas.
It's March Madness here in Austin, Texas, but it's not basketball bringing people flooding into the city. It's the 2023 South by Southwest Music Festival.
With over 150,000 visitors and Austinites attending 9 days of attractions. This includes film, art, music, interactive exhibits, and parties on nearly 100 stages and venues.
And today we're taking you behind the scenes with one of the festival's favorite artists, muralist Mike Johnston.
Thank you so much, Mike, for joining us.
Oh, thanks, Rachel. Appreciate it.
So you've been doing murals worldwide, from Europe to Asia, even the Middle East. What made you decide to choose Austin as your home?
Yeah, so my wife, she went to UT, and her sisters live here in town. So we knew that this was where we wanted to make home, and this was back in 2010. So we found teaching jobs and eventually moved into full-time art. But we've been here, I guess, 13 years now.
Nice. So my clients at 5002 North Fresco commissioned you to do a piece of work in their backyard overlooking their pool. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so when they reached out, we were super excited because they were passionate about Japanese culture. We had already taught 2 years in Asia, and so we were really excited about the subject matter and what they wanted. And so we said, hey, let's do it. Plus, it was in the heart of COVID, and some of our work had slowed down, so we were super grateful to get that gig.
That's amazing. Justin, interest rates and financing in general have become a hot topic in our industry. Where do you see us heading in the summer? What do you tell clients that are concerned about our current market?
Well, I wish we could tell the future, but the most important thing every client should know is that you need to find a mortgage professional and let us help you make the best decision that you can. Find someone you can trust and let us point you in the right direction.
This 5-bedroom home features a mix of original architecture, details, and modern upgrades. Open living space with large windows that allow plenty of natural light. The renovated kitchen features stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and custom cabinetry. In-wall home theater, surround sound, Google Fiber, True Protection and wired security cameras, and Vivint security system. Fully remodeled with new PEX, plumbing, paint, masonry, vapor barrier, flooring with decoupling membrane in 2019. Xeriscape Yard boasts a modern design pool with a swim lane, 6-person spa, full heated for year-round fun. Surrounded by seating areas and outdoor lighting, and a mural by our local artist, Mike Johnston, to create a welcoming ambiance for entertaining and relaxing. Covered parking and additional outdoor lounge area in the front with Tesla charging station. Completely restored foundation, repaired with geotechnical and structural engineering. Includes a lifetime warranty by Capital Foundations with a 35-year history in Austin. Centrally located with easy access to downtown Austin, all major highways, parks, shops, and restaurants.
That's it for us. We hope you've enjoyed this look at one of Austin's most iconic and enjoyable experiences.